Apigee developer. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity to work as an Apigee developer? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is looking for skilled professionals for the Apigee developer role. Key skills: Python, Apigee, Azure API Management, Azure Functions. Experience required: expertise in Python, Apigee, Azure API Management, and Azure Functions. Strong experience in API management, including design, development, and security. Knowledge of DevOps practices to automate testing and deployment. API performance monitoring, troubleshooting, and optimization. Collaboration with development and operations teams for seamless integration. Strong documentation, communication, and problem-solving skills. Job location: Pune. Work experience: 5+ years. Education qualification: any graduation. Employment type: contract. Work mode: hybrid. CTC: 8 lakh Indian rupees to 14 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate to 10 days. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.